What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I have my broken spine girl with me, and it's broken, as you can see. This thing actually has not been plugged in since 2020, and it's 2023 right now, and I want to try something. I want to plug her in and see if anything works. So, I have a 6-volt 2 amp DC adapter. Oh, I didn't note about those tears in her dress, but we're going to plug her in and see if anything happens. Alright, she's on. Hang on. Is she in the on position? Oh, Jesus! Her motor's on. Wait. What? I think her head's trying to move. Yeah. There's no bell on her, so that's why the motor's not going up. I see something else here. Yeah, but hang on, what's causing all this leaning? Her relay switch still works. Hang on. Oh, geez, there's a plastic piece missing. That's why she's leaning. Also, I might need to find something to replace these. I had no idea where these went. I forgot about that. Hang on. Her spring is off. Yeah, this right here is spinning very quickly. Wait, where's her speaker? I have no idea where her speaker is. Where's her speaker? Is this her speaker? Anything unplugged? Is she gonna talk again? This is the control panel right here. Hang on. There's not even any wires connected to her volume knob. Hang on. Is there any wires that are just hanging out by themselves? Okay, this one, I'm not sure where those wires are, but they're supposed to connect up there. Yeah, but it's a shame that this is like one of the worst quality Halloween decorations, because if you guys don't know me, this is my favorite animatronic of all time. Oh wait, hang on, these two blue wires. Hang on. Let's see if anything happens when I touch them. Hang on a minute, guys. Yeah, guys, this is actually, I don't know, like I said before, this is her first time being plugged in like 3 or 2 years. So, I'm gonna see if I can get her to talk again. Alright. Hang on. I'm gonna take the body off. Hang on a minute, guys. Hang on, that wire's still on. Alright. Yeah, but it's, in my opinion, it's still a shame, though. Like, this is, like I said before, this is my favorite animatronic of all time, so it really breaks my heart to see it broken. Wait, that's where the wires go. Hang on. If I can get her to just talk again, then that will be good. I haven't heard her audio in person in like 2 or 3 years. Hang on. Okay, alright, she's activated. But hang on. Wait, hang on. Her speaker made it. I got her to work, guys. Well, just her talking. Oh. I remember every damn... Alright. Hey! Hang on. Alright, guys. So, at the very least, we got her to talk again. But yeah, I'm so happy I at least got one thing to start working again on her. It'd be really cool if she was still able to bend backwards, but I would need to... I would probably have to find something to wedge in here for that leaning, and she also needs a new belt. Actually, her belt fell off. I didn't take it off. It fell off, and I have no idea where it is. But, yeah. I have to find something here to replace the hooks. I think, someone used, like, a part of, like, a coat hanger to do this, but, yeah. And I remember the last time when she bent backwards, she would click every time she'd come to this point. Yeah, also, the spring is off, too. We're going to have to fix this. See if I can. Where's that one? So... Okay, yeah, that spring is actually off a little bit, so I'm not sure what's happening here. At the very least, we got her to talk again, guys.